Just arrived in Copenhagen. We're just grabbing our bikes and driving to the Soku where we're staying and having a shower, and then we're going to explore Copenhagen. Just arrived in Copenhagen and it's around lunchtime, so our hotel room won't be ready yet, but we're just grabbing our bikes and it's ready here and having a shower, and then we're going to explore Copenhagen. Got a free room upgrade, so let's check out our room.
After exploring our room, it was time to explore Copenhagen on our bikes. So beautiful architecture. Those are the trampolines we jumped on. There is no biking allowed here. Look what Nadia is doing. Over there you can see the Copenhagen. We were wondering why there are so many people here. There is the mermaid, and apparently everyone wants to get the shot. Crazy, crazy, crazy. The biking infrastructure here is very good. You have traffic lights, bike lanes, even turning lanes on the bike lanes, which is pretty cool.
We just got back in time because I think it's gonna start raining now.
After an eventful day, we're pretty tired. And it's time for bed.
Good night.
Good night.